I like this magnesium, the triple complex. It's one pill for all three components. I like that the bottle is simple and no nonsense. These capsules do go down very easily. I keep coming back to this one brand and they do not upset my stomach at all whatsoever. The formula definitely feels clean and straightforward without extra junk that I don't need. It is a triple complex magnesium. This is one of my most favorite supplements and I always make sure I take it every single day. It is easy to take. It is very simple and I like that I'm getting a good mix of each one of these components in every capsule. I'm going to stick with this over the single serving magnesium. This is the triple complex. Highly recommend.